Today we discuss about Swati Nakshatra. The Swati Nakshatra is the 15th nakshatra is the in the series of the lunar constellations. A nakshatra in Vedic astrology. All four quarters or padas of this nakshatra falls under the zodiac sign of Libra. Libra. And symbol shootable plant swaying in the wind coral. The symbol of the Swati Nakshatra is shoot of the plant or coral, which personifies their air qualities of independence, gentleness, flexibility, strength, and restlessness. And the native is born in the nakshatra. Coral is a symbolic of the creative, intuitive, and scenic ability present in the native. So, if you want to come to know the characteristics of the nakshatra, is people born under Swati nakshatra place a lot of value on freedom and independence in all aspects of their life. They like to do things at their own pace and believe in long-term planning. They like to have a space, even in their personal relationships. I do not like being forced into do something. So it means they like liberty. The combined effect of the Venus and Rahu on this nakshatra makes it native diplomatic, good communication skills, and good communicators and fond of making new connections and social contacts. Always eager and open to learn and try new things. They strongly believe in a social etiquette and behavior. They are very skillful, clever in business, and are fond of traveling and meeting a new persons, new people also. If you born in Swati Nakshatra, is the ruling planet is Rahu. Graha Devata is the who gives the ability to understand the nature of the planet so that we can work based on the planet is charted. So based on the Vedic, come to the astrology, the Graha Devata ruling planet Swati Nakshatra is Rahu, which gives the natives of this nakshatra a strong appeal in personality, open mind nature, excellent communication skills and opportunity to succeed in foreign lands. Good. Once again I am repeating excellent communication skills and opportunities to succeed in foreign lands. So you can try for in America, US, UK, like that, other countries. They have an inherently sound business sense and achieve success due to their hard work, social nature, and flexible attitude. They always exhibit a sense of a sophistication in their mannerisms and carry themselves with a grace and voice. Rahu gives the strong PR skills and do well as PR agents, salesmen, designers, artists, and entrepreneurs. So, and energy source is comes by Vayu. Adidevata gives a mental clarity of the ruling planet and through them. We can come contact the divine energy source of planet. Adidevata Swati Nakshatra Vayu. Vayu is in the form of vitality of prana in the body. Due to the air element, native Swati Nakshatra can do well as a yoga teacher, gym trainer, aerobics trainer. They could also be a good musicians and singers, especially the ones to play wind instruments like mouth organ. Why based? You know, if the moon is in Swati Nakshatra is badly affiliated, the natives could be arrogant, rude, and prone to nervousness. They should always be careful in the diet causing too much wind. You know, presiding deity of Swati Nakshatra, it means Pratit Devata, Hanuman, and Saraswati. Prachiti Devata means helps us understand the function of the nakshatra and planets on birth chart and has total command over the function related to the nakshatra placed in the birth chart. The presiding deity of Swati nakshatra is Hanuman Swati Saraswati. I'm sorry. The natives of the nakshatras are the curious and inquisitive nature and have the ability to excel in the fields of music, literature, and arts. They are always open to new ideas, information, willing to learn new things. And if you comes to the female who are born in Swati nakshatra, general of 90 nakshatra is used in matchmaking. But if you deeply analyze this, we come to know a rather fascinating fact that the gender signifies our mental inclination towards material things, how we manipulate life changing for our survival. And the gender of Swati Nakshatra is a female natives of this nakshatra compassionate, merciful, charitable, and soft spoken, and males also soft. They have the calm and controlled nature and took care of the need and suffering. Come to nakshatra dosha is dosha represents the type of disease will affect the natives. Swati nakshatra natives are dominated by kapha. Main function of the kapha is protect the body, the holding muscles, bone and fat together. Swati person born people need to take care of this dosha so that their vitality is maintained. Stomach ache, indigestion, lack of appetite could trouble the natives of this nakshatra. And come to the guna, it means tamasic. Come to the our Indian base, the philosophy. Three gunas is known as sattva, raja, and tamasa. These are known as this process that build a successful life. The gunas of Swati Nakshatra is tamasic, due to the which natives of could be overindulgent and spendthrift. They could also be lazy, stubborn, critical, and short-tempered. Lazy sometimes, buffalo is the animal, right? And element. Swati Nakshatra is a governed by the fire element, which gives a passion, enthusiasm to natives of Nakshatra. It also gives energy, vigor to accomplish their goals. The natives of the Nakshatra are brave, valiant, and are service to a real sense of the term. Comes to the bird, honeybee. Yes, birds are highly spiritual creatures. These honeybees, which comes to into life to give us the message from the universe. Each nakshatra has a particular bird symbol, which shows us the energy of the related to that bird is resonant within us related to the particular constellation nakshatra. Bird symbolic to Swati nakshatra honeybee, which indicates the ability to work both independently and within a team along with the patients to accomplish their goals. They are highly efficient. They always remain motivated to achieve their goals. Coming to this nakshatra, Ru, Re, Ro, Ta. Ru, Re, Rupin, Renhan, Rotan, some names what comes in Tapasi, Tapsi, like that. First letter of the also names produce a vibration which connected with the individuals as their path of Vedas. It advisable to choose the names with a letter that creates a harmony between the human and universe. So the native gets every happiness, success promised in his birth chart. This is akin to us coming in the network area of the nakshatras born under is getting a proper signal for it, which helps us rejuvenate and connect better the world. Is the first letter baby born is Swati Nakshatra could be Ru, as per told before. Ru, Re, Ro, Ta, Rupin, Ruhin, Re. Start with Re, Renan, Revant, Ro, Rohan, Rokan, Ta, Tapsi, like that. You know, the names, which one you suits, which one you can help, which one you like, you can keep them. And that's it. And today for this one about the Swati Nakshatra. And coming to, first quarter, I saw 4 padas is there, and first pada is ruling by Jupiter, second pada is ruling by Saturn, third pada is ruling by Saturn, or fourth pada ruling by Jupiter. Yes, Gana is Devagana. Animals is, buffalo, lazy fellows.